So here's an update on my vibe coding experiment. I have been, kind of just telling it, what next you need to do, what else is that, like yada, 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 running through and fixing a few bugs here and there. I've been able to get it hooked up to Google Cloud, which this is the console for all the back end. It handles all of the deployment and whatnot. And this is the testing. Let me do a refresh. Here we go. You can toggle between light and dark. You can go to storage. Although I have to fix that's the one thing we're not working on yet. This has been interesting because it's a character forge. What it does is it'll take your description and it will generate. So it is linked into the back end with another AI. I think it's the general, like Gemini. And it, Nano Banana or whatever it is. So you can import, documents. If you have a PDF or if you have text. Let me see if I can, I can export them. And why not just save it there? Okay. And let's see, can I get it to open? Give it to me. Come on. Well, to hell with that. But you can also do female ranger with bow and arrow. Half elf and very tall. So giving it that very simple one because a number of these have been very complicated. I'm going to go over them, but telling it to manifest it. So it goes into it to forge everything. These were generated earlier. What it does do is it gives me, these are from the description I gave. I think this one is a rogue. Yeah. So a rogue with a sharp, thin knife. So it gave him a stiletto. It gave him lockpicks and armor. The stats were randomly generated. This one was from a description of Beelzebub, taken I think from some Ars Notaria or whatnot. Just whatever. I really like the art generation on this one. The prompt was very, very detailed and very opaque. So this is really impressive to me. It gives him all of the... See, note, this also jumps his stats up really big. So I thought that was cool. Go ahead and seal that. We're still forging. It's still, you see right there, it's forging that. So AiStudio. It should work in the background. Narrative drafts. Transform these characters. Skill trees. Yes. Manifest narrative. Now I didn't go through any of the generation on the other side. So this is one point where we're bottlenecking, because I don't think it knows what to do with itself after that. But that's one thing on Lore Vault. Yes, I've uploaded PDFs and notes on the tabletop games. Uploaded them directly into the vault here. You can toggle between these. I have not tested any of the text generation yet. Mainly it's only been, so far, it's been this forge here. And it looks like because when let me refresh that again. And we're getting another problem here on the back end. So we run into bugs. This is why you don't do it. But vibe coding, this was able to generate itself in about 48 hours. It worked pretty well. I think it does some cool things. It's right now it's just a note platform. You put things in there and you can think about them. You can kind of tweak what you like. You can also upload your things. I'm I'm working on this to be able to kind of like be a writer's assistant. It's going to help you map things. It could help you build a timeline, tell a story. Ultimately, it could be a RPG repository. People just to keep their physical games tallied and going. Who knows? So, I've enjoyed it. It's been cool. And this has been Ethereal Tales, a lesson in vibe coding. Enjoy.